Hey everyone, George Scott 135 here, and today I'm going to be showing you a Plastidipped BMW 328i interior. So I just finished the job, and there were some cracks in this before, but I put like 5 coats on it and they're still there. But that's the only downside to this, is that if there are any cracks, if they're big enough, they're going to show through. But other than that, I'm extremely satisfied with this Plastidip job. I removed the actual air vents and the start button, so I didn't get paint around it. Like the edge is perfect. Over here there was a lot of scratching all over this side door trim panel, but the Plastidip managed to cover it up really well, and I think it looks like beyond amazing. It makes the car look completely different. As far as removing the trim, there's a lot of videos on doing that and removing the air vents. And then I just hit it with like 4 coats of Plastidip, and yeah, stuck it back on there, and I'm really happy. I did, however, I will share with you, I did mess up on one piece. This piece is good. I just want to show the back as well. So that's a good piece right there. But I did mess up on one piece, and I had to use some paint thinner. So here's a little painting station, but essentially this is the rear door trim, and as you can see, there's a lot of texture on it. So it actually fell on its face while it was being painted with the dip, and so I had to use some paint thinner. And what I did with the paint thinner was I put it on my finger and I rubbed all the texture out, and so hopefully when that dries, it will look nice and glossy with the nice finish. I mean, there's a lot of texture on there still. I might have to go over that with some more paint thinner, but that was the only one that was messed up. And if you look at the actual trim, there's absolutely no imperfections on if you do it perfectly, and you can go and peel it off and do it again, which is what I might end up doing with that piece over there when it dries, if it doesn't look perfect. But as you can see, I mean, it looks really good. There's a lot of coats of the paint on there, and it's pretty even. There's no blotchiness or anything. So I will let you guys know how that holds up, and if it peels on the sides. But I presume that it's gonna be really good. It's gonna not peel at all, because it is interior trim. People dip their tires and those peel up, but this is not a set of tires. This is interior trim. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy the interior trim dip on this BMW 328i E90. Have a good one.